So, back in the early days of internet, having a password felt powerful. It was your secret key, something only you knew, something that kept your world safe online. But then the internet grew. Suddenly you didn't have just one password. You had dozens. Email, banking, social media accounts, and with every account came the same problems. Weak passwords, forgotten password, and worst of all, stolen passwords. Hackers got smarter, breaches got bigger, and what once felt safe started looking like a broken system. But now, tech giants say enough is enough. The age of password is ending, and in its place, something smarter, something safer, and something you are probably using at the time is coming. So what it is? Let's get into it. The answer is passkeys. Think of them as a digital key that lives on your phones, your laptop, and even your fingerprint sensor. Instead of some weird word sequences that you set up on password just like myself, you just unlock with Face ID, fingerprint, or a quick tap. Because these are something that are just unique to you. No one has the same face, same fingerprint just like yours. It's faster, more secure, and nearly impossible for hackers to steal. And here's the thing, your phone already has the tools for this. Apple and Samsung have quickly rolled out passkeys on their devices. But here's the catch. Most apps and websites haven't adopted it fully yet, which means we are standing at the edge of a big shift, waiting for someone to truly push this feature into the mainstream. Let's be honest, passwords have always been a nightmare. You are told to make them long, complex, and unique, and then remember them all. And if I was about to ask you a question, it would be, how many passwords do you reuse across all of your apps? Now imagine one website gets hacked, your password gets stolen, and the same password could unlock your bank account, your social media account, and even your email. And it's not just user. I was reading this article a few days ago, and it says that some of the companies worth billions and trillions of dollars have faced some of the biggest data breaches in history. So here's the real question. If passwords keep failing us, why are we still clinging to them? That's why tech giants are racing towards creating something better that not just replaces password but performs way better than them. Before getting into why passkeys are better than password, I want you to check my socials down in the link below so we can also connect there. And if you have any question or want to connect with me, you can DM me on Instagram or X. I will make sure to reply you. Now let's get back into the video. Think about everything that makes a password frustrating. You have to make them strong, make them long, and even remember them. But people still reuse the same, and the hackers know it. Passkeys flip that completely. You don't have to remember them. You can't reuse them, and because they are secured accurately on your device, they can't be phished and breached in a data breaching. It's like moving from an old rusty lock that anyone can pick to something that only you can choose. That's why the tech giants believe passkeys aren't just good, they are here to replace passwords for good. Long story short, no. Let's be honest, passwords aren't some flawless magical solution. They still depend on the security of your device. If your phone gets stolen and isn't locked properly, someone could try to access your accounts, and not every app or website supports them. You still have to juggle between passwords and passkeys. But here's the key difference. Even with these limitations, passkeys cover every loophole that hackers have been exploiting for decades. They might not be perfect, but compared to password, they are on a whole different level of security. For example, imagine you get an email that's like exactly the same you get from a bank with a password. There's a chance you might type it in, and boom, you are hacked. But with passkeys, this type of scam fails because your digital key don't instantly work on this scam site. Right now, passkeys are already being used in the places you don't even realize. Google accounts, iCloud, PayPal, eBay, and even some banking apps. But the real question is, will the future be completely password-free? Honestly, yes. But it won't happen overnight. It will happen step by step. As more apps and websites adopt the system, passwords will fade into a history. And when that happens, logging in won't just be easier, it would be safer for everyone. So next time when you unlock your phone with a fingerprint or a face ID, you should think that you are already experiencing the beginning of a new era. Make sure to watch this video in which I have unveiled 5 ways in which your system can easily be hacked. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.